Hello again, YouTube. It is JMO back with you guys again today, and it is Monday, December 9th. And so you guys know what that is for me. What day that is? That's the day that I like to put some of my side gig Uber Eats slash DoorDash delivery money into my portfolio. I like to do it on Mondays, even though they technically don't pay you until Tuesday. They pay you on Mondays, but it doesn't hit your account till Tuesday. So I usually just supplement it with some of my other income until it gets into my account. I like to get some Monday stocks rolling and get some of that market action. So here's where we're at today. We are above the $1,500 limit. As you see, the market's a little bit down today, down 1.5%. So we do have still the Dogecoin. Kind of went up this weekend. It's come back. It was up like 46 cents or something this weekend. It's come back down. We're still up 16.9% on the year on the return. So that's the little crypto holding that I have. The Shiba Inu, again, it's just a small little piece that I wasn't able to sell at all. So you have to sell at least 800 coins. I only have 572. So it just sits in there. It's actually up 5.9%. And then next, of course, is our savior. The only green that we have today in the portfolio is Apple. So Apple's up 1.68% on the day to 246 a share. I have 2.4 shares of Apple, $593 market value. It is up 8.58% on the year. So Apple is a winner. SoFi we have now, let's see, it's down 1.84% on the day. We're up to 25.7 shares of SoFi for a 404 market value. Still up 20, almost 21% on the year for me in the portfolio. So we still got that doing well. Just another one I'm going to keep adding to slowly over time, build that up. Then we have the SCHG Growth ETF, down a little bit today as well. We are up to 6 shares of that for a 171 market value, up 3% on the year. Another one I just want to keep adding to. It's currently at 11% of the portfolio diversity. At some point, I believe I want to get this one to be about 30% of my portfolio holding, as it's just a long-term growth ETF. As you see over the time periods, it's up 17% in the last 3 months, 38% year to date. So this is one I just want to keep and hold for many, many years. Keep adding to. Hopefully that grows. Then we got IBIT, which is the Bitcoin ETF trust, also down 4.78% today. This one is actually one that we are negative in the red for the overall return. It's only slightly, as you see, only down less than 10 cents at the moment. We have the 1.12 shares, $61 market value. This one, it'll be small amounts that I add to of this. It's at 4% portfolio diversity. I'm thinking somewhere around 5% would probably be a good amount for something like this. Crypto, Bitcoin hit $100,000 last week. It's kind of had a little bit of a pullback. It probably will continue to go up, but I'm thinking somewhere in the 5 to 7% range. Portfolio diversity is a good number to have for this ETF trust. Then we have the PGX, which is the new ETF that I added last week. And this is basically like a corporate bond ETF. So it does pay a dividend. We're up to 5.34 shares for a $63 value. This one also down just a little bit since I've started. So it's 99% corporate bonds is what it's holding. It does have a 5.71% 30-day yield dividend. So I think per share it's paying out somewhere along the lines of like 6 cents or something per share. So should get somewhere around 25, 30 cents in the next month on dividends and that. I just wanted something to add to start getting some dividend income in the portfolio just to introduce it. eventually, as I start getting much closer to my retirement age, I think I will add more and more of the dividends to try and generate some of that passive income in retirement through dividend income. And then we got Palantir. Of course, Palantir has been like one of the biggest stocks this year as far as what it's done. 8% in the last week, 19% last month, 120% in the last 3 months, and 325% year to date. So it's having a little bit of a pullback today. We're down 5%. In this one, we also are down overall. In this one, we did buy at kind of a high time. That's why I'm only buying small amounts right now. I thought there was going to be some market correction, some pullback on this as it was just going up in a straight line almost. And I'm sure everybody knows stocks can't continue to go up in straight line only for a long time. They got to come down at some point. So we were able to add a little bit to that today to get over the 1 share. So that's what we're looking at for the portfolio update. Also was able to add to the Roth. I typically do like $21 or $20 to $30 into it every Monday, but I actually accidentally doubled up on it today. So I had a recurring investment that went in, and then I had just a recurring investment set up to just go into my Roth IRA buying power. So I kind of double dipped today. That's why I have the buying power right there. I haven't set it to what I want to go towards. A lot of these are just ETF funds. Some pay dividends. And this is just for my Roth IRA that I'm just going to keep adding to try and build up that retirement money. It's small right now, but yeah, something that we're going to keep continuing to put into, keep growing, and hopefully that can help supplement some of my money during my retirement years. So that's where we're looking today. I'm hoping that we're going to hit that Santa rally that everybody talks about, where the stocks kind of go up on a push towards the end of the year. As towards the beginning of December, a lot of people will sell and take a lot of their profits so they can figure out their taxes. And then once they get that all cleared out, then a lot more people go back into buying more towards the middle end of December to kind of get ready for their 2025 portfolio and which way they want to go with their investments for that. So just want to give everybody a little heads up. This is kind of just going to be my journey, and just here to basically just document it, see where I started at, and see where I can take it to. So if you watched this far, I appreciate you guys watching. And if you'd like to subscribe to continue on the journey with me, I would really appreciate it. And with that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.